welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you located in the colder parts of the country who has bird baths or aluminum bird baths and currently looking for water de-icers or bird bath de-icer? If you don't have a heated bird bath but want to de-ice the water in your bird bath, then the Bird Bath De-Icer 250 watts will be the perfect product for you. This de-icer is thermostatically controlled to ensure proper de-icing of the water in your bird bath. One feature that we like about this item is that it does not need to be completely submerged in order to operate properly. This is ideal for your garden, yard, lawn, or patio. Here are its technical specifications. Type is De-Icer 250 watts. Manufacturer is Alloy Precision. Dimensions are 3.25 by 6 by 6.75. Weight is 1 pound. So what are you waiting for? You can have the Bird Bath De-Icer 250 watts today at a very affordable price and see to it that every bird will be flocking in your garden. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.